All right, here's example 4 where we're giving you that the tangent of angle theta is negative 2/3 and that the cosine of the angle is greater than 0. And we want to find the value of the cosine of theta and the cosecant of theta. So a tangent value is negative in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. Or sorry, that's 4. And then it says that the cosine is greater than 0. So it's positive in quadrant 1 and in quadrant, these are hard to see here. So here's the negative tangent and the negative tangent. And then the cosine being positive is in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. So the one that has both situations to exist is quadrant 4. So this angle falls in quadrant 4. Now we gave you that the tangent of the angle is negative 2/3. Well, to find the tangent of an angle, you take y over x. So our y value could be a positive or negative 2, and then our x value could be a positive or negative 3. We have to decide where to put that negative. So we're going to create an angle that's going to fall in this 4th quadrant. How we get that answer is by working with the y value and the x value. So on the y-axis, it's going to go down 2 units. On the x value, or x-axis, it's going to go right 3. So we're going to create this right triangle. So on the x-axis, we're going a positive 3, and then on the y-axis, we're going down 2. So that means then my y has to be negative, and my x would have to be positive. So this is our point, x comma y, on the coordinate plane, 3, negative 2. We do need to find this last piece of our right triangle, the radius. So we're going to use the equation x squared plus y squared equals r squared. We're going to substitute the x in and the y in, and then solve for r. So 3 squared is 9, negative 2 squared is 4. We're going to add 9 and 4 together to give us 13. And then we're going to square root that r. We cannot have a negative radius, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put the square root of 13. Now we can go ahead and find the cosine. Cosine is the x divided by the r. X is 3, and r is square root of 13. With that, we have to rationalize it. So we're going to get 3 square roots of 13 over 13. The last piece says find the cosecant. The cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine. So sine is y divided by r, so then cosecant would be r over y. So the radius was square root of 13, and y was negative 2. So there's the exact value for the cosecant of that angle theta.